Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Today I'm gonna talk about the Aries moon sign people and the Aries ascendant people. I'm gonna tell y'all how your month, the January 2021 would be for y'all. At the starting of the month, Mars will be in your ascendant sign. I mean over your moon sign as well. In your second house, there will be Rahu. In your eighth house, there will be Venus and Ketu. In your ninth house, there will be Sun and Mercury forming a Budh Aditya Yoga. And in your 10th house, there will be a Sasha Yoga and a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga. And Saturn and Jupiter will be together there in the house of your profession. So during this time, you will be filled with confidence. You will be very enthusiastic about taking decisions at this point in time. And all your plans, all your strategies you make during this time will benefit you in the long run. Well, before I start predicting about various individuals belonging to various spheres of life, I want to tell you all that I make a very special amulet for Aries moon sign people, Aries ascendant people. This particular locket which I'm talking about is a godly locket. It is an amulet which will give you the strength to overcome all your difficulties in life. It will give you the power to overcome all your troubles, obstacles, hardships, predicaments in life. Apart from this amulet, this locket, this pendant is gonna give you a lot of money in life. It is gonna give you a lot of richness in life. It is gonna give you success and prosperity in life. It is gonna give you good health in life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, it will give you the strength to get up once again and run towards your success. You know, this particular locket, this particular pendant can be worn by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in life. That God's name may be different. Maybe we have given that God different names, but there is only one God. This perspective about God, that there is only one God, is my own personal belief. Hence, anyone can wear this amulet to get blessings of God. So, here I start predicting about January 2021 for all of you. For people who are in job, during this time, there can be some problem in your office. There can be some problem in your office, at your workplace, with your peers or your bosses. You might engage in unnecessary arguments with them. Or it is very much possible that your colleagues and bosses may hurt you emotionally and they can trouble you mentally as well. So during the month of January 2021, you need to take care about this thing. For people who are in business, they can suffer a loss during this month. They will be very tensed about their business in January 2021. They might face some unforeseen troubles, obstacles, hardships in their business. In short, your expenses will be more than your income. If you businessmen were expecting a payment from somewhere, it is quite possible that you do not receive your payment during this month. For students, this is gonna be a great month for y'all, as you will be able to focus on your studies during this month. You will have a lot to learn this month, and your concentration level during this time will be at its peak. Aries sign people, Aries moon sign people and Aries ascendant people, I want to tell y'all that your health is not gonna be okay during this time. You need to take care of your eyes, kidneys, skin, lungs, teeth and stomach. Some sort of physical exercise is a must for y'all. For people who are in a love relationship, let me tell you all that during this month, you are gonna have a fight with your love partner, and the consequence would be that you will have to stay away from your love partner for some time without talking to them. Your ego will come in between you and your love partner. You will not relent at this point in time. I'd suggest that if you enter into a fight with your love partner, then do not stretch that fight for too long. For people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all that this month is gonna be a very difficult month for you. I'd suggest you not to invest your money in the stock market during this month. Please do not gamble during this month, because there is a strong chance of you losing money in gambling. For people who are in debt, they might face some serious problems from the government this month, as they haven't been able to pay their debts, their loans earlier, as well as they are not in a position to pay their debts now. For married people, this is not gonna be a very good month, as there will be a lot of disharmony between you and your spouse this month. If you are planning to go abroad this year for a settlement or for a vacation, I'd suggest you not to plan for it this month, because your planning will go haywire if you plan during this month. I mean January 2021. For people who are looking for a job, who want a job, who are looking for employment, I want to tell you all that it will be difficult for you all to find a job this month. Well, these are my general predictions about Aries moon sign and Aries ascendant people. If you all want specific predictions, you can contact me. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves. And if you want a lot of money in your life, if you want richness, success, prosperity, tranquility, calmness, and peace in your life, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.